Here you go.
Hey, easy.
Oh, this one's got it down. All right. It's our first time eating. Come here, pretty. Come here. Ooh. There you go. Nikita has it down. She knows what to do. Come here, baby. Come on. Look. 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 There it is. All right. Ooh, she's growling. Here you go. There you go. Come here, baby. Ooh, listen to her. All right, there you go. There's yours. Here's yours. Here, Miko. Here. Here, look. Look. Yeah, he's got teeth. All right. Our first meal. Come here, baby. Here, Nikita. Come here. Look. Look. Oh, yeah. Good stuff. Good stuff. Here, look at Ashton. He's trying to hold himself up without falling in. Actually, they're doing much better than the pugs do. Oh, be nice. You be nice, girl. I'm not gonna steal your food. This one's gotta get used to people touching her while she's eating. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Nikita, look. Look, 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 look. Look, look, look. There it is. There you go. Here. You're not getting near your sister. I don't think she's going to share. Is that good? Here you go, baby. Yeah. Come here. She likes her own food. Here you go. There you go. There. You're actually doing pretty good. This one's crawling underneath. Look. This is Ashton, and he's stuck under his sister. What are you doing? Your feet's over here. He's a little... Come here. Look, 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 look. There you go. There you go. You're just trying to figure out how to eat and trying to suck it at the same time instead of chewing. There you go. Good boy. There you go, baby. Want some of that? Good stuff. They're actually doing pretty good. They're not as messy as pugs. Come here. Miko. Come here, Miko. Look. Good girl. Is that good? Come here, baby. Come here. Here you go. She likes it. Good girl. Are you full? Hi, baby. You want some of that? There you go. There you go. She likes it. We need to add some more water in there.